We didn't set out to run a business to make loads of money. We just wanted to do a job where we could feel like we were lifting somebody's load and we were helping to make their day-to-day life easier. So it's really important to us that we meet with our clients in their home before we do work for them, because we want to get to know them. We want to really understand what their pain points are so that we can tailor the experience to meet those, and also so we can understand like their aesthetic preferences. For some people that's really important, like colours and textures, and there's lots of choices that we can make in the organising products that we put in that can play to that, so that they end up with an organised space that helps them to relax after a busy day at work. So so we do a consultation, and then following that we give them a written quote for our services, which will be a component of hours and a component of product cost.